Hello everybody, welcome to Sure Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my review of the A3D Arm Guard. It's a 3D printed arm guard out of a company in Canada. I'll have a link to their website in the description down below if you want to check out more about this arm guard for yourself. So starting off, the arm guard itself, it's got a very nice shape to it. I like the fact that the edges are rounded. That way, when you actually have it on, it's not actually going to dig into your skin on your arm if you happen to bend your arm. Some arm guards that don't have rounded edges, or they're not rounded enough, they actually can dig into your arm if you go and bend your arm, which is kind of annoying. It also is going to depend on how long the arm guard is, but for me, this one actually fits really well. And with that, on the fitment, you get these two very nice elastic straps. They feel very similar to the ones that you can find on the biter arm guards. They're comfortable, and they come with just these two little adjustment pieces here. Adjusts up great. If they're too long, you can easily trim them down and then just break out a lighter and melt the edges to keep them from fraying, but they fit really well. They give you plenty of elastic to actually make it fit, so if you have really big arms, you can make that happen, or if you have really small arms, you could also trim it down and make it fit for you as well. As far as stretching on this elastic, it must be pretty good quality elastic because I have not experienced any stretching so far while using this product. It'll probably stretch at some point in time, but not at this moment. Now, some additional, kind of cool things about this arm guard is the fact that you can actually get customized, name put on here, up to 12 characters, including spaces. You can add symbols or just little icons and things like that too if you want. Of course, you may want to contact A3D about that after checking this out on their website to see how far you can actually go with it. I personally just went with the simple A3D logo on this arm guard. Works great, but you can probably put your name on it, put your club on it, basically put anything you want on it, Instagram tag or whatever. So you can really kind of customize it to your needs. They also come in a variety of different colors. And maybe you could also request for additional colors if it's something that A3D doesn't have. Of course, all depending. I'm not speaking for them, but it seems like they're pretty open to customizing the product, especially this arm guard, to fit you and how what you want on it. So other than that, at the end of the day, it is just an arm guard, but it functions really well, which made me happy. Is it the best one ever made? That's going to be up to, I think, your own personal decision and preferences. But if you want a solid made arm guard and to support a new creator of archery products, then I think checking out this arm guard is probably a really great option. You can support A3D, and then they can use that to develop more archery products in the future. But overall, I'm very happy with it, and hence why I'm making this video and sharing it with everybody on here, because I think it's definitely worth your time if you're interested in just having a different kind of arm guard, especially one that you can customize. Alright, so with that, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Sure Shot Archery or Anthony Archery 720. And other than that, please check them out in the description down below. And as always, happy shooting.